sold a guy Z50 frame, forks, swing arm, suspension, and probably 2 weeks ago got it shipped out. He called me, told me it hasn't arrived. We started doing some investigating. I shipped it through FedEx. Never had an issue before, and it was tracked all of the East Coast. They scanned it 10 times, had pictures of it, of the box that is, and it made it all the way to his town, but did not make it to his door. Very unfortunate to lose a Z50 frame. Very nice restorable frame. And we've been in contact with FedEx. They're giving us the runaround, but he is looking for a frame and forks and suspension to give to somebody else as a gift, and trying to help somebody else out that has an engine and a tank that matches these forks. So we're really just he's trying to do a favor for somebody. Unfortunately, FedEx lost the package, so he called me, asked me if I had another one, and fortunately I had this one. I was not planning on tearing it down just yet, but I want to help him out, I want to make it right. So we're going to tear this one down, get this hopefully shipped out tonight. I got about maybe an hour and a half before last drop, so I'm hoping I can get it all torn down in time and packaged up, and get this one shipped up to him, and so they can get building a Z50. All right, so here we go. We're gonna tear it down. I'll time it. Obviously, I won't play it real time. I'll fast forward it for you guys, so you don't have to sit here and watch the whole time. But we'll see how fast we can get this thing torn down. It's hot in here. It's like 90 outside. It's gotta be close to it. It's gotta be over 100 in here, or right at 100. All right, that rear axle was a pain, but finally got it. I think for shipping purposes, I'm gonna go ahead. Well, let me tell you, to this point, obviously this thing wasn't complete already. It's already missing a bunch of stuff. But just to get it down to the frame, swing arm, forks, it was like 15 minutes. Not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the rear brake and the rear swing arm so it'll fit a little bit better in a box. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the wiring harness for him, front brake cable. It might be reusable, but it needs to be replaced. It's messed up. But I think I'm gonna ship it just like this. So we'll have to get this off and get it packaged up. Still with me. I guess you semi-enjoyed the video, maybe a little bit. this is start. I'm gonna do a lot of this kind of stuff, dismantling. Some I sell for parts, some I restore. It's not just mini bikes. I'm got all kinds of different motorcycles that I'm into, along with some old cars. Follow along. I'm gonna start uploading videos. Try to do it weekly. Obviously, this shop that you see behind me is very outdated. That's another part of what I'm planning to do is start renovating the shop, and I'm gonna video that. So if you think that's something you'd like to watch, subscribe, give me a like, comment some stuff, some bikes that you'd like to see on here, and we'll make it happen.